maikinde moyude weche maket koda mago nyinga Nelly Achieng ndhine jalo kamara Bella Achieng. Jalop jatend piny Kenya ketho rekindiki okoni ber ka bende onywake chenro no.
Oceans. But science tells us that the survival of our planet and the survival of humanity has a very close and permanent relationship with the health of our oceans.
Peth mano mabende kwedo piny owacho e bura mano mamalo ne obedo kod pogruok odiechieng' mano makawuono e sach twak ewi paro mano mar chik omenda 2026 kane otelnegi kod jatend kweth mano mathoth e bura mamalo Kithure Kimani Ichung'wah. Jod burago ne okoni paro mano mar chikno.
The National Assembly is a place of debate. Why end the National Assembly is a place of debate? Why end a debate understanding Order 95 that you do not want us to debate any further, you want us to vote? We came to Bunge to debate.
Jotelo mago mopogore opogore owuok oko kendo gikwedo kanyo monj.
Solve a very basic question. All Saints Cathedral is in the capital city of our country. How can people beat up thugs, criminals, beat up people even into All Saints Cathedral in the capital city of our country? How can that happen? I don't understand whether our leaders have a sense of shame. It is very humiliating for our country to see those kinds of things we are seeing. Because we can have political differences will not end, even after the elections next year. We are a democracy. We will always just to discuss a bill, which is before Parliament, that is going to their elected representatives. I mean, even if you have serious problems with comprehension, don't you see we have a problem? And that's why we are saying that I went to see him in Oslo, the county police commander had not been there. 7 days later, and all that is happening at the county headquarters. What would the county commander be doing better than going to see that guy who has been attacked, who is in Oslo, and looking for those thugs? In a small place like that, do you want to actually tell me that our police service with its capacity cannot root out this?
We were told back in 2022. Ya kwamba sisi tumefanya makosa, we elected watu wa wash na we also elected goons. Watu wa wash na we also elected goons. Ile bunge iko na chiefs wa goons.
So Mano Migosi Khalid Ahmed Rahman sach romo margi manigi bago odiechieng' makawuono.
Says that will target corruption, or the anti-corruption strategies that we'll come up with will be Africa specific. Corruption knows no borders and financial crime, and for that reason
those who are involved, because we have so many agencies, private companies that have hired people that they use them as merchandise, as slave trade to whoever wants to hire them, and then
Yud thuolo mar kweyo pachi kendo bedo gi mor e chenro mar Bang School. Chenro mar Bang School chakore sa 10:30 mamidhiambo nyaka sa 11 mamidhiambo. Kama inene katun mamori, ipuonjori weche mathoth, ibedo kod mor gi nyiero motimo Cathedral. Kik bai, nyiero motimo Cathedral. Kik bai, Bang School. Chenro manigi mor lilo ne nyithindo duto. Kala TV. Machiegni pacho ma e odwa. Machiegni kendo wadhi nyime doche manyien mago mag
of education and particularly the teachers. Political leaders are continuing to set the wrong example by inciting Kenyans against their fellow citizens as a means of winning political power. KUPPET has received disturbing information.
Shirikiano ama unity katika nchi yetu.
A whole leader speaks to his community to extend animosity to the people working within the county.
Kisumu kaya ni nurses mago mabende wuok e boma ma Kisumu. Obwogo mano mar kaya ni nurses mago mabende wuok e boma ma Kisumu. Obwogo mano mar dhi nyime bet pacho nyaka chopi piny owacho ma Kisumu obi ochul gi kanyo. Omenda mar bet pacho nyaka chopi piny owacho ma Kisumu obi ochul gi kanyo. Omenda margi kata gopgi mano mar osara ma bende oserem ma ok ochulgi kuom gopgi mano mar osara ma bende oserem ma ok ochulgi kuom dweche ang'wen.
Families surviving, and then someone is threatening us. We shall not take it lightly.
It is absurd for a man in the status or the stature of Adumawur to tell Kisumu citizens